Once upon a time, there was a young man named Jack who lived in a small village in England. Jack was a hard-working and ambitious individual who had big dreams of making it big in the world. He had a burning desire to be successful, but he knew that he had to work hard to achieve his goals. One day, Jack heard about a prestigious university in London that offered scholarships to outstanding students. He immediately knew that this was his chance to pursue his dream of getting a quality education and making something of himself. Without hesitation, Jack started preparing for the scholarship exam. He spent countless hours studying, working on his essays, and polishing his interview skills. He also reached out to alumni and professors to get their advice and guidance. The day of the exam arrived, and Jack was nervous but confident. He knew that he had done everything in his power to prepare, and he was ready to give it his all. After several weeks of waiting, Jack received a letter from the university. He was overjoyed to learn that he had been awarded the scholarship. Jack felt like all his hard work and dedication had paid off. Over the next few years, Jack worked hard to excel in his studies. He made the most of every opportunity that came his way, and he never gave up. His hard work and determination paid off, and he graduated with flying colors. After graduation, Jack landed a job at a top-tier company in London. He worked his way up the ranks quickly and was soon promoted to a senior management position. Jack's success and accomplishments were a testament to the power of hard work, dedication, and perseverance. As Jack looked back on his journey, he realized that he had overcome many challenges and obstacles along the way. But he had never given up, and he had always believed in himself. Jack knew that if he could do it, anyone could. And so, Jack became an inspiration to many young people in England. His story inspired them to dream big, work hard, and never give up on their dreams. Jack's legacy lived on, and his story continued to inspire generations to come.